You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A Japanese expression for more Japanese vocabulary and names, including from manga and beyond. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. So let's break it down. Japanese pronunciation. Yamete Kudasai. Now, what does it mean? Yamete means stop it, please. Stop it. Sorry. Kudasai means please. So it's a polite way of saying stop. Or stop this. I don't like it. Yamete Kudasai. Yamete Kudasai. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.